Okay, fun friends, I'm Duran, and this is my twin bro, Harbor. Now, Duran and I are on an ongoing quest to discover who is the superior of the twins. Now, we've been experimenting a lot with Nerf guns. Hold on to your darts for the world's most powerful Nerf gun. 3, 2, we out here. Yeah! So today, we're gonna find out who's the more accurate Nerf gun shot. Hashtag Team Duran, cause you know I'm gonna win. Or hashtag Team Harbor, if you want me to win. So, challenge 1, stationary shooting. We have these balloons and these darts. Name of the game, who can pop the most balloons in 20 darts. Okay. So in this first installment of the Twin vs Twin series, I know you want me to win. Comment hashtag Team Harbor if you want me to win. I need your love and support. First up to the challenge is Harbor, because I'm the oldest. Oh! Oh! Got him! Oh! Oh! That's it. And I feel like I did pretty well. I got 6 out of the 10 balloons. Not to mention the first shot. I feel like I should be a bonus. Let me know. Careful, careful. We got spiky darts everywhere. Now, my brother Harbor was the first to go because he's the oldest. But he does not know age does not equal accuracy. So 6 is the number to beat. Duran stops the balloon. Crap, 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 crap. Oh! Hey! Oh! No! No! Second to last shot, I pulled that last one through. Dang. The results are in. Now, it's still early on in the game, but Duran took the first round. 7 balloons to my 6. Now, fun friends, if you want to hop on Team Duran, comment below. Hashtag Team Duran. Join my squad. But remember, it's still early. Be loyal. Okay, fun friends, we're on challenge number 2. This one's the moving target practice. All we do is hit these boxes while hanging out of this car. Most boxes wins. Good luck. Since Harbor was first to go last challenge, I'm first to go here. Name of the game is accuracy and quick reload. Hit it, Riker. Woo! Ah! Splinter! Dang! All right, we out here. Hit it, Riker! Oh! Quick, quick! No! In the 11th hour, I pulled through. Came with that score of 1. Duran beat me by 1, so I beat him by 1. Okay, fun friends. Me and Harbor are all tied up after 2 challenges, so we're about to do the 3rd challenge, Ultimate Obstacle Course. So the Ultimate Obstacle Course consists of 3 parts. Part 1, we're gonna try and shoot Shamu with these baby little Nerf guns. After we shoot Shamu, we gotta swim a lap in the pool. After we swim a lap in the pool, we will proceed down this alley right here. Grab the guns, set up, and shoot this box at the end of the trampoline. Then, once we hit the box, we're gonna come here, chug a couple of sodas. We underestimated this. From there, we will be jumping on the trampoline, shooting over the wall to this target. So after that, we're gonna grab the world's most powerful Nerf gun, and first one to shoot that is the superior twin. Just so you know what's at stake, fun friends, this is the better twin trophy. Whoever wins the challenge will get possession of the Superior Twin trophy until the next Twin vs. Twin challenge. Now remember, hashtag Team Harbor if you want me to get this trophy, hashtag Team Duran because you know I'm gonna get the trophy. Twin challenge tiebreaker.
Ready, set, go.
Oh jeez. Getting that crap open's the tough part. We underestimated this. That diet. Constant burps. Oh, one more and I'm done.
I forgot it!
Wait. Oh, you got it! That was tough, but he deserves it. I would like to thank everybody who commented hashtag Team Harbor, everyone who commented hashtag Team Duran. You gotta stick around for the next Twin challenge and just maybe all this can be yours. You saw it here first, fun friends. The first ever Twin vs. Twin challenge. Who's more accurate? Now, I took the big W on this one. Duran is trying to get this trophy back, so if you have any other ideas for competitions, Twin vs. Twin, put that in the comments and maybe we'll try it out. So remember, this channel's all about fun with your friends. So like, subscribe, hit that bell, and share it with your friends. We out here.